The BFGoodrich All-Terrain TA KO2 has been a legend among off-road enthusiasts, celebrated for its unbeatable durability and versatility. But with the launch of the KO3, promising better grip, toughness and longevity, the question arises, is the KO3 truly an upgrade? We will compare the key metrics, mud, snow, wet and dry, using Canada Tire's road-rated test data, with performance metrics shown in percentages and KO2 as the 100% benchmark. Let's see how these all-terrain tires stack up. In muddy conditions, the KO2 edges out the KO3 with slightly better grip and handling, while the KO3 is close, it falls just 2% short when tackling wet muddy trails or steep rocky slopes. On dry gravel, it's a draw. Both the KO2 and KO3 excel, maintaining stability and traction. No surprises here. BFGoodrich continue to set the benchmark for gravel. When it comes to snow, the KO3 pulls ahead with 2% improvement in acceleration, braking and handling. A small but meaningful upgrade for those facing harsh winters. On ice, both tires deliver identical performance. The KO3 holds its ground but doesn't surpass the KO2's proven reliability on slick surfaces. Wet conditions, however, reveal a shortcoming. The KO2 outperformed the KO3 by 4%, offering better hydropelling resistance and braking. For drivers tackling wet asphalt, the KO2 still shines. On dry asphalt, it's a close call, with the KO2 holding a slight 1% advantage in braking and handling. The KO3 comes close, but doesn't entirely surpass its predecessor. Comfort is where KO2 dominates, boasting a quieter and smoother ride. The KO3 sacrificed some on-road refinement, showing a noticeable 13% drop in comfort, a key consideration for long trips. How about rolling resistance? There were no differences, as the KO2 and KO3 deliver identical efficiency for your adventure. So, what's the conclusion? The KO2 introduced measurable improvements in snow performance, making it a compelling choice for winter adventures. However, it shows downgrades in comfort as well as mud, wet and dry performance, where the KO2 continues to set the standard. So, is the KO3 worth the upgrade? If snow performance is your top priority, the KO3 delivers. But for balanced all-terrain versatility, the KO2 remains the reliable fan favorite.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.